take off.
So he down there, y'all going crazy. This shit gonna be crazy. Y'all hear that bitch scratching up the fucking
no chance, I had to make me one. Living too damn fast. Got a bag, then got another one. All my bitches bad, you wish you had, they not the best ones. He just saw a flash before my chain. Now his life is done. Ask about my name, I got ring. My shit open doors. Come and fuck with Tisky. Take you places you ain't been before. Smoking for a show. Price going up at the end of the tour. Racks up.
Night night, baby. Sleep tight. You know if the robbers come by. 762s. Eat their life. Ellery. Ellery.
They ate in my baby bottle. Like 4 a.m. and I'm still in the stew. Finna order some chicken and waffles. I just pulled me a 4. It was.
So we footing it. We footing it. Shit got wild. Shit got wild. We footing.
Hating ass nigga probably hating on your face. I just put up in the old school. It was clean. Told a bitch, watch your mouth, you in a Boston Listerine. Martin Luther King with the sleep, had a dream. I was in the NBA balling hard, wanna ring. I don't want them cheap ass
dog right now.
Bitch wanna sign the YN, can you see? Nigga put up in the slow.
There's literally hair flying around everywhere. Yeah, man, I'm sick right now. Get these pups some food. Stick them up. Put it in the bag. Oh, we ghetto classy today, you know?
Got to get dig on me. Ghetto classy.
We'll go up in this school.
Why'd you park this far?
Bro, cause I want my car in the back. But
You could've dropped me off at the front.
check this out. Check this out. Today, little sis is graduating. We finna go in here and see what's going on. Afterwards, we might slide the cat because we gotta go to Omaha to pick up some new tires, which is crazy. 2 hours away to get some new tires. Basically, yeah, I might let little sis do a donut in the cat. If not, I'm gonna do a donut in the cat. Or I might let Bae do a donut in the cat. I don't know. I don't know yet. Somebody gonna spin the cat today before we go to Omaha. When we get back, I'm gonna smoke them. Get the little co-star, man. I don't know why my front lip is missing. I don't know what Buddy did. She looks so neglected right now. She looking good. I'm gonna cap. I threw the little tire you dig on there. Scraped up the wheel. I came off the highway last night, and I don't know if I did this, but I hit the curb, scraped my shit all that. Ain't mad. Well, I don't know. I'm kind of sick about it. It get painted, but the rim ain't fucked up. It ain't cracked. Don't leak or nothing. This was already done when I got it, so I don't know about that. It's all bad with that. I don't know where this fucking ding came from. Someone must have hit my door. It's my good side though. Got the tire shining. I got this side looking decent too though. I don't know if y'all could tell for real. I got this fender in the bumper for sure. It's just ugly. I painted, paint. All this is paint, spray paint too. But it definitely looks better than the rest. That was right there, you know that? That was bad. I'm not gonna do that now. Turn this baby into a cat. Hear that bitch purr. Oh, I forgot. Fucking engine light. Tweak. That wasn't good neither.
Most of my niggas got life without no paying for it. I done got the ball, they ain't hard, I got the dog. I done made
tell me if I'm crazy or not. We just drove 2 hours away to get what is basically some brand new tires for the Hellcat. They are 255, 45, 20s. So they should fit on there. They're all 255s though, so they're all gonna be pretty small. I was told this is the size that the stock wheels come in. I'm not positive on how it's gonna look, but I don't really care because they're all season tires and I'll have tread to play with at least, so I'm not running around on bald tires. But yeah, am I crazy? I came 2 hours away to get a whole set of tires for $300. Brand new, all 4 tires, all season tires for a Hellcat, $300. And I really think that's a steal because I maybe could have went to one of them little backyard type tire shops, but I don't think they would have had these size tires for a cat. The cheapest stuff I was finding would have been about $1,200 for a set. I'm gonna go smoke the tires that I have. One tire is, I think the band's broke in it because I hit a curb last night, and before I got it, someone hit a curb and they like ripped the tire. Try and take it easy on these tires. It's hard though when you're in a Hellcat. Blow the tires off my car tomorrow and get that footage and do another oil change. I'll probably do that tomorrow. I'm gonna do an engine flush. Try and figure out what's leaking, why it's leaking. Hopefully it's just a power steering pump or a hose to it or something. Finally made it back home. Y'all see what I got right here in the back door. Right here. Back door, that's a kitty cat. In the grass, on the ramps. Going downhill, uphill, you know, whatever you want to call it. Little Ellie. Little Ellie in the way. Green. Well, what's up, girl? Coco. Ellie. What is wrong with this girl? What is you on? I need to paint it all black or something. Like that, not so ugly and dirty. Ooh, she looking clean right now. Baby looking clean right now. Into this road trip vlog, me drinking milk.
Come on now.
It's the end of this adventure, the Chronicles of Kani. Night night, baby. Sleep tight. You know if the robbers come by. Some 6'2", eat their life. Go give her a hug.
Oh.
Tell her good night.
You go give her a hug.
If she wake up right now, it's gonna be some mean shit. Rub her booty or something.
It's cold.
Go show her some love.
It's cold. You go show her some love.
I just did. Say good night. I gave her a kiss.
Good night.
No, you got rubber. Ain't you a healer? You claim to be a healer and all.
Turn the fucking light off.
Go ahead.
Bring your ass.
Come on, man. Let's go.
Come on.
Ellie.
Turn the camera off. Come on. I'm ready.
Ellery. Ellery. That's all, folks. God damn, that looked good.
What do you say? Hellcat landed. Come on, down.
Hey. That shit was great. Take off.
Don't go too crazy now, man. Look at you. He's funny as hell. I don't know where bro ass went though, but here his ass go. Nigga tore that bitch up. They're funny as hell. Well, he down there, y'all going crazy. I can't even get too much. Y'all hear that bitch scratching up the fucking block? Fuck wrong with him? Shit, you probably gotta put some more. Niggas is going crazy.
Sport.
Or it's the same shit.
Sport just makes all that sport instead of track.
I know, but you know, track, you know, it makes you like, you know, I feel like in track you still gonna have some traction shit in that bitch. Niggas need to get the red key for real.
Huh?
I said niggas need to grab the red key.
I think I got the red key. Alright, man. So we footing it. We footing it. Shit got wild. Shit got wild. We footing it. No, I'm capping. Man, I really want to do some donuts in this mug. I really been wanting to do some donuts. Burn the rest of these 305s off, even though I don't really know how much tread is left. I guess I could look. But I want to do like 2, 3, 10 drifts around that pole for real. Going crazy. Let's get up out of here. I ain't gonna record the outside because I don't really want to leave my shit sitting outside. Just hit the little tandems and whatnot. My power steering joint's going off. This shit's crazy. Why does this car be acting like that? Fuck. Acts like it don't want to don't want to brake. Oh, and my power steering pump's gone. I don't know how you Dodge niggas do it, bro. I don't. I'm so confused. Like, fucking traction's off, stupid ass engine lights on. It's in sport, 700 horsepower. So why the fuck don't my shit want to break loose? And it's wet outside? What? And it's fucking wet, and this big bitch don't want to break? Like, come on. That shit is bonkers to me. For you. Woohoo! Dang! This just be breaking loose. That should be crazy. But yeah, man. Chronicles of Kani. I'm irritated, man, because the cat not doing what the cat's supposed to do. Hopefully, all that oil residue that was leaking under my car was just power steering fluid. It's irritating, but it's better than everything else. So hopefully that's just that. And I just leaked the rest of it out doing the dumb shit I did. That's why my shit's going out. Place that good. Oh, I'm sweating. Yeah, I can't record motherfucking driving. What they do on a race, huh? Is that a BMW? What? What type of shit? Nah, I do want to fuck with. I don't know what's behind me. I still don't think he fucking with the cat. And he had a bad white bitch next to him. I still don't think he fucking with the cat. I'll embarrass you. I think that's why he ain't want to do it, because he got his bitch with him, and he know I just woke that bitch up. I don't even know why he tried to do all that. Good tough with me. Tough with this cat. It's a beamer though. It's a beamer I ain't never seen at that. That motherfucker might be something wicked. Little nighttime POV. I'm tweaking. Should have my lights up. Feel me? Nighttime POV. Top of on the highway is foggy as hell out. Literally, that is just showed right there would have a whole bunch of buildings and shit like that. And you can't see shit. You can't see a building. You can't see the lights on the building, nothing. You can't see in front of me, and the cat need gas. I don't know if something's wrong with my supercharger, or if it's power steering, or if it's both. Hopefully it's the cheap one. And I'm about to put some stars in here. I really could have ordered that shit today. I'll put some stars in the roof. But yeah, man, I'll catch up with y'all when we get to the gas station and get some gas up in this joint. That's all, folks.